to the Carly, Jill, Taylor, Bryn, Jamie show! It's raining. It's pouring. Like cats and dogs. OMG. Oh my gosh, there's a random car in the driveway. Just kidding. I'm back. It's my day. Ha ha ha. Not. Now let's find the hula hoop to do. Hula hoop. Human horseshoe. Okay, let's go. Try going. 5 points. 0 points. Oh, sorry, Jill. Jill, why are you such a klutz? Oh, Jill. Come on. Yes, a moving target. Bullseye! Yay! Woo! Now it's time for Bryn hula hooping. I need hula hoop, Taylor. Do 2 at a time. Can she do 2 at a time? No. We'll have to see. Bryn! Woo! Bryn! 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 You go, girl! Now let's see Jill turn the umbrella inside out! You're not Jill. Well, I know. Why are you looking at me? Are you dizzy yet? Yeah, kind of. Keep spinning! Too bad. I couldn't get up in the morning. Now let's see Carly and Jamie bump the volleyball. Wet volleyball, that is. Here, I'll hold it. Oh, I need an umbrella. Watch out, cameraman. Jeez. Next bet. There goes the volleyball! For some reason there's still rain coming through. Let's do basketball, Jill! Woo! Woo! Let's watch this twig go on a little ride! Woo! Down the Nile River! Unsuccessful. Now let's watch the hula hoop go down the river. Try number 2. Swim, little boy. Goodbye, my little friend. It's bye, Jay for Jamie and Jill. Basketball, Jill. Let's go. Goodbye, Shaw. Jill, why are you so bad at basketball? We should do chase. Most of you do a layup? Yeah, let's go, Carly. Woo! Woo! Oh, I was for sure that was going to go in. Or that, no, I didn't know. Under the umbrella. Cool umbrella, Taylor. Now let's follow the hula hoop. Follow the hula hoop. No, I already said it. Get under the umbrella. Is this umbrella broken? I would say. Now let's follow the hula hoop. It's coming back. Guys, everybody get under that and I'll shoot it and it'll rain all over them. Follow the hula hoop. No, that. There's a wall. Ready? Here, you hold it. I need to get under the umbrella. Woo! That's all for today, folks. For the Jill, Carly, Jamie, Bryn,
Bye-bye.